that? Huh?
I got big titties.
Get the fuck out of here. So you like your niggas with big muscle, big titty, I mean big
You
whatever.
gotta have a big ass.
I don't need the big ass.
So you don't need a big ass, but you want him to have big muscle.
Yes.
Huh?
If you cheat on me, I'm gonna cut that meat.
You gonna cut his meat?
If you cheat on me.
Sweetie?
I'm very jealous.
Damn.
That's all I need.
You don't care about that shit, right? If he
No.
cheat on you, he cheat on you.
Yeah. I'm gonna shoot back too.
Oh, you gonna cheat back? So she's a dog.
Yeah.
You gonna cheat back? Do you cheat all the time?
Every day your pussy tight and good, yeah. Baby, me love you, won't leave me. Push it up and make you feel.
Come on, guys. Are y'all ready?
I'm gonna give it a
Hey, we're in Miami. Y'all know where we at. Almost little Haiti, so it's gonna be nothing full of Haitians.
Get the Miley.
Ça passe!
shot.
Alright, so you already know where we at. Alright, so the question of the day is, do you think real still exists?
Yes.
And definition is real people, real girls, real bodies. You think people still in this generation is gonna be real? Do you think it's still going on right now?
Yeah, some 50% right now.
Are you ever gonna get fake booty, fake titties?
No.
I don't think so.
You like it the way you are?
Yeah. We like it like that.
Hey.
I would.
Oh, so you like the way you are? You,
Yeah, I love my body.
yeah, you satisfied? Satisfied?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's real. All right. So the next question is, do you think you have? Hold on, let me stop. Do you think you play a part of shaping the new generation that's coming?
No.
No.
How you act? Do you think they're gonna act like that? Do you think?
No.
I don't know. I think they're gonna change because every day is a new generation.
You think it's gonna?
Something new,
You think the new generation is gonna be better or worse?
I think it's gonna be worse.
So do you think your action and how you act and what you do gonna reflect on them?
No.
No, they're
Okay.
gonna be different.
They're gonna be different, huh? All right. So next question is, do you think love still exists?
Yes.
No.
Cause I
No.
Yeah.
Yes. No.
Yeah, it's
No.
depends.
No.
It depends.
No. No. Yes. No.
No.
I say yes.
I say no.
Yes.
Why not?
Your girl said no.
So what you said? No, you can say you look bad, so people could tell people
No, I look ugly today.
you look nice.
Don't play.
You do look nice.
Don't play.
And black, does she not look nice? Do you think everybody's real right now?
I think it depends. I think a lot of people are like, I think a lot of people just like want to fuck, to be honest.
Everybody just wanna fuck?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking about that, but alright.
Like love?
Like, do you think everybody's real? Like, you think real still exists? Real people, real love, real commitment, real everything.
I mean, I hope so. Like, I love.
Parce pi moun nan relasyon kon ya, yo reme pou go tete, pou go bouda, e pi bel fam, e pi yo pa kwe nan relasyon, yo pa pa moun nan afeksyon ou fre.
Yo pa bon valeur,
Yo just reme yo pou kalite ou genyen.
That's real. So in other words, she said they only like your body and all that. So do you think that's the raison ça? A lot of girls are getting fake bodies?
Yes.
I like connections with people. I like.
I feel you. Any message for the girls or for the guys? Play a part in the new generation that's coming up?
I mean, I do my part, but I don't know. I think everybody gotta love a little more.
All right.
_ Ava.Carpenter.
Say less. I appreciate you. Bye.
Yo pa kwen nan tèt yo pito like, yo a fè bouda yo pou net kameme, but se pa sa di tou. But lòs yo moun nan tremon, ou pa bezen.
That's real. That's real. So another, can you say that in English?
You don't need all that, okay guys?
You don't need all that.
You don't need the fake titties.
Because when you find love,
If somebody love you, they will love you for who you are.
that's real now. That's real. That's what I'm trying to tell them. That's real. So the last question is, let me, yeah, I like that shit. All right. What type of guys y'all like?
Oh, I don't.
Oh, pou mè mèm?
Yeah.
Mè mè nèg ki gen gros pecto.
Hold on. She like niggas with muscles.
Mè nèg ki gros pecto, ki gen gros bibi, ki gen six pack, ki cute.
So you want a nigga with a six pack, with a nigga with, but your ass is skinny, like. So what you gonna do with a nigga with a big chest?
That's
That
fake.
was for me.
That's for you.
Yeah.
All right. How much money do he have to make? Like Laja, how much do like?
Laja.
He have to have a lot of money or just decent, middle class, high class?
Il pa bezou gen an pil laje, depil gen gros pecto.
Ça va faire
Oh.
un pectoral. Bah, bon, mon cher.
Lèl nou el gen gros pecto, lot medam ki gen pecto ki gen l'ajan
Gros
yo,
pecto,
ya fin bal l'ajan.
Yeah, what you can say
Wow, so
that.
he's gonna be a model.
Yeah.
Ah, shit! Kaka, shit. Ou funny, oui?
You funny,
Ou funny, oui?
Oui.
You funny.
Keep on affection.
English. Affection,
Affection.
love.
I don't.
You don't care about
worry
money.
the money.
The money will come.
Nah, respect and everything.
That's good. That's a good ass answer. But you just want big muscle. You want what with the Zozo?
Not really.
Not really.
So that was the next question. Do you think everybody cheat? Vous pensez tout le monde cheat?
Yes.
Non, il va tout.
Everybody cheat?
Not everybody.
All right.
Même pas cheat. Depuis moi-même, non, ma
She's cheat so, but she's only back.
I'm a leave her. I'm not gonna cheat. I'm a
I appreciate y'all ladies. Instagram.
Oh, Barbie sexy.
All right. Bobby sexy?
Yes.
Big dog, what's your Instagram?
Honey Kiki. Honey_Kiki.
All right, Kiki. I appreciate y'all.
Merci tout.
Bye.
All right.
Subscribe.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to him. Heat of Passion.
There we
and
go.
like and everything.
All that.
Bye.
Okay, bye.